Okay, beta. I hope everybody is in. Let's start the class. Okay, let's start the class. Fine. So we have discussed about on 1, on 2, in 2. Now we will discuss about many one. So before going to many one function, I think already we have discussed many one function. Did we discuss many one function already, beta? Many to one correspondence. Okay. One time we will discuss many one. Many one is not having any specific name, but injective, bijective, and surjective. This is exactly injective, surjective makes bijective. Injective, surjective makes bijective. This is more important. Injective, surjective makes bijective. That is 1 to 1 and domain, codomain is equal to range. This is only bijection, most important condition. Okay, this is bijection, most important condition, beta. Now let's see, let's go to next one. That is many one function. Fine. In many one function, a function f such that a tends to b is said to be many one function okay, is said to be many one function if two or more than two elements in A have the same image in B. So I've written it in very simple way. Two or more than two element in A have same image in B. So exactly some examples of this is f such that A tends to B such that f of x is equal to x square. So beta, this is polynomial is always or f such that f of x is equal to modulus of x. So these are examples of beta many one function. These are examples of many one function. So parabolic curves many one, modulus many one, parabolic many one, modulus many one, parabolic many one, modulus anyone, many one. Okay. Okay, parabolic many one, modulus many one. So now let's see beta, if A, B, C and one single element x is there, y is there, z is there. So if like this situation is there now, then too it is called as function. You see, all the domain elements are mapped. So different domain element mapped to one single element. Can you tell me the type of this function? Please tell me the type of this function. Let me see if you've understood the entire part or not. Which type of function this is? Okay, which type of function this is? Name it, beta. Name it. Many one, Vishika is telling. Many one, completed, beta. It is incomplete. Let's see who can complete it. Many one, everybody is knowing, but one more part is missing. Many one function, Maheshwal, Harish, Vishika, everyone is telling, but beta, it's exactly many one into. Main name is missing here. Here, many one into is the function. Here, what is the function, beta? Many one into. Many one into. So, when mapping is there, you have to see both the things. Correct, Harish? Here, whenever you are writing the mapping, you have to see both the things. Many to one correspondence and then see codomain element. So here, many to one correspondence is there. Many to one correspondence. Okay. And then codomain here. So range is subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain here. So these two conditions are there. Because of that, exactly it is many one function. Because of that, exactly it is what type of function? Many one function. So let's see, quickly give me answer fast. See, give the answer. It is what type of function? Many one after that. Okay. Many one. Many one, complete it beta, complete it fully. Many one on two, correct. It is many one on two, correct Pratika, correct Vishiga, correct Harish. Very good beta. Okay, many one on two, many one on two. Maheshwal understood beta. Many one on two, many one on two. Abhinesh understood. Shyam understood beta. It is many one on two, many one on two. Tamilarshan understood na beta. It is many one on two. It is many one on two, many one on two. So you have to remember this. It is many one on two. Tamilarshan understood na beta? It is a case of many one on two. Pritika, Harnibala, Nidhi understood na beta? You have to give the examples. At that time, you have to tell what is this function is about beta. Correct, Harnibala. Absolutely correct beta. It is many one on two. Super. It is many one on two. So everyone gave the answer, many one on two. So now that means we have understood everything. Now we will go for bijective function. Bijection is that bijection means 1 to 1 in on 2. 1 to 1 on 2. Bijection means 1 to 1 on 2. Bijection means 1 to 1 on 2. Now let's start seeing beta different type of functions now. Now directly we will start different type of functions and we will try to understand how these functions will be responding. Fine. Okay. Identify the type of graph. I have not told you anything. I just drew a line. And now tell me identify the type of graph. Okay. Identify the type of graph. If it is not clear, I'll be showing it one more time. X is equal to 3. Super. It's a constant function graph. Vishiga said, Maheshwal also said the same thing. It is a constant function graph. Okay. So, beta, when they will be telling you what type of graph it is, you will be saying it is a constant function graph. And then you have to tell everything. See, look here. I taught you everything. So, say everything about constant function graph. So, here, y is equal to f of x is equal to 3. Here, the graph is that is for every negative or positive value of x. Oh, so exactly -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also, if we will take function f such that n tends to n, then we are seeing one very common thing. Whatever value of x you will take, it will always give only one value of y. So constant function. Now, beta, do you want to explain about constant function? Do you want to explain about constant function now? What you have seen in constant function? What you have seen in constant function? Beta, now are you able to see? Are you able to say? Very good. But beta, you have to draw and say this part. So what is exactly you have seen here? You tell me. You have exactly seen here many, 1 into. So what you will say? It is a constant function, correct only. So it is a many one into case. It is what type of case? Many one into case. It is what type of case? Many one into. Look here, beta. Then you will ask, auntie, how it is many one into? Because I am confusing how you have written all the value of x can all only be exactly containing. So here, how you have written? So beta, I will write, I'll tell you only one thing. Y is equal to f of x is equal to constant number 3 written. Okay, you have written constant number 3 because the line is exactly crossing y is equal to 3 and it is going parallel to x-axis. It is going what? It is going parallel to x-axis. So since it is going parallel to x-axis, it is exactly going 3 like. Now, next important point here is y is equal to 3. Now, since y is equal to 3 you are getting, now you can write it as y is equal to 3 into x to the power 0. Because beta there is no x. So since there is no x, is it not dependent on x? No, it is literally not dependent on x. Constant function is not dependent on x because you see this line is going parallel to x-axis. This line is moving what? Parallel to x-axis. So to be very frank, it can stay without x value. But beta, since it is domain element is very much needed, then only domain element will map with codomain. So for constant function, when we are writing y is equal to 3, so we can write like this now beta because we know x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so if somebody will ask from you how you are going to answer, then you will say, then you take x value anything. You take x value -3 to the power 0. So any number to the power 0 -3 to the power 0, it will always be 1. So 3 into 1. So x is exactly coming, sorry, y is exactly coming 3. So you take any value of x, you will always get y is equal to 3. That is a type of constant function. And between constant function, it is exactly always many 1 into. Constant function is many 1 because for any value of x, you will always get only one value of y. So for any value of x, you will always get one value of y. So now tell me, beta, if y will be equal to k, what type of function it is, and just explain me the part. Y is equal to k. So what will come in competitions and what will come in CBSE exam? These type of things will only come in CBSE exams because they will be keen to know that you know the topics or not nicely or not. So better tell me for constant function, it is what type of function? Quickly say. It is what type of function? Many one into. So always the constant function is many one into here. Okay, Maheshwal, Harish, Pritika, everyone is saying many one into. The region is only one beta. That is for any value of x, you will always get only one value of y, and that is k. For any value of x, you will always get only one value of y. Any value of x, only one value of y. That is exactly a case of constant function. That is always a case of constant function. So I hope you might have understood constant function. Now quickly equal function we will say. What is equal function? I think should I teach you equal function now or should I wait for? Fine. So what is equal functions? Two functions uh, two functions f and g, we don't know what are they, but two functions f and g having same domain, d are said to be equal if f of x is equal to g of x for all x belongs to domain. F of x is equal to g of x. Okay, Pratika understood. Many one. Okay, so here beta understand two functions f and g are said to be exactly equal functions if variable like beta f of x is equal to g of x means what? For means whatever domain element is there. So what is the domain element here? The domain element here is x. So how cleverly they are saying that for any domain element for function f of x and for any domain element for function g of x, f of x will be same. So here understood or not? So that means what beta, they are very cleverly telling that codomain and domain element all will be same and their function will be same. That means if f of x is 2x, what will be g of x? If f of x is 2x, then what will be g of x? If f of x is 2x, then what will be g of x? G of x will ultimately become 2x. G of x will only become 2x. So that's why it is exactly case of equal function. Means domain element same, correct me as well. Domain element same, codomain element same, their mapping will be same. So when two functions, everything will be replicating each other, means everything will be equal and everything will be same, then it will be exactly called as equal function. So beta night, if you will be having time, 9:30, you join the session today. Functions related some very important part. I'm going to give question answer sessions, that is last 20-year questions I will be solving there. Okay, so every time in evening I'll be setting questions so that if you will join that session, you are having time. Other tuitions, if you are free, then see, otherwise that or video I will be sending you. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Vishiga. Thank you, Farhan. Thank you, Nidhi.